Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter chocolate at home. Start by roasting peanuts, then blend them into a smooth butter before melting chocolate and combining carefully with a spatula. Keep a low temperature and stir constantly to prevent seizing. Pour into molds and chill until firm. Taste and adjust salt or sweetener to your preference. You can add chopped nuts, sea salt flakes, or a touch of vanilla for extra flavor. Gather all ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Use 2 cups peanuts and 8 Oz chocolate for a balanced batch that yields about 12 pieces. A food processor makes silky peanut butter in minutes, while a double boiler or low microwave prevents chocolate from burning. Keep a spatula handy for folding and smoothing. Preparing everything first makes the recipe enjoyable and efficient for every home cook. Work methodically and stay patient for the best texture and shine. Blend peanuts until they release oils and turn silky. This may take several minutes depending on your processor. Melt chocolate slowly between 40–45 degrees C or in 20-second microwave bursts, stirring each time to keep it smooth. Combine peanut butter gently to preserve gloss and avoid aeration. Refrigerate the finished bars or molds for at least 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.